Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is why nursing. Nursing could be a great fit for you. If you love working with people and you want a rewarding career where you can impact the health and well-being of your patients and your community. Nurses play an integral role in the healthcare system and improve patient lives every day. Different challenge in nursing, offering the opportunity to provide patient care, promote health and education in the community, coordinate and care conduct research to improve practice and patient outcome. Nurses are one of the front lines of healthcare delivery teams. The goal of nursing care is to restore, maintain, and advance the health of individuals, groups, or entire communities. It is a science and an art. The science is obtaining research based nursing knowledge, judgment, and skills. The art is the establishment of a caring relationship through which nurses apply nursing knowledge, skills, and judgment in a compassionate manner. Both focus on the whole person, not just a particular health problem, and on individuals at all stages of life cycle and in all states of health from wellness to illness. Nurses can choose to work in a variety of practice settings including hospitals, long-term care facilities, community and public health agencies, classrooms, laboratories, independent practice, ambulatory care centers, public health service, military services, army, navy and air force, and in any setting where people need healthcare services. Nurses incorporate a variety of roles in order to provide professional nursing care. For example, nurses are patient educators responsible for explaining procedures and treatment. Nurses also empower patients, guiding them toward health behaviors and support them in time of need. When patients are able, nurses encourage and teach them how to care for themselves by adapting to their conditions and working towards recovery. Nurses make a difference. Nurses literally save lives every single day. This is true in clinical setting and it can also be true in community when an emergency situation arises. They play an important role in overall health and well-being of the patients they serve. Every day provides a different experience for a nurse. New challenges, new people are presented daily, each with their own concerns and issues. Nurses get to interact and work with people around them every day, including patients, colleagues, and other healthcare service providers. Nurses perform critical functions daily, including checking in on patients, responding to emergencies, administering medications, and performing tests. Nurses make it possible for doctors and surgeons to do their jobs. Nurses often provide some of the relationships that make life meaningful for their patients. They are often viewed as extensions of families. Nursing careers offer flexibility and success. Depending on your goals and bandwidth, nursing programs like BSc Nursing, MSc Nursing, PhD, nurses can choose their own specialty. Nurses can expect to work in a stable industry that is expected to continue to grow. Nurses can advance in their roles, pursue advanced degrees, and take on leadership and administrative roles. Job security. Job security is an excellent benefit for anyone interested in a career as a nurse. Nurses are a necessary part of healthcare system. Nurses function in a number of roles throughout healthcare and healthcare would not be able to exist without them. Nurses provide care to people in almost every aspect of industry, not only in healthcare system. Because nurses are so ingrained in society, there will always be a need for them no matter what the outlook is for other jobs or industries. The career of nursing is a highly respected field. There is a great demand for highly skilled nurses around the globe today. If you are considering this exciting, growing, and rewarding field, you should consider these many awesome reasons to pursue a career in nursing. Nursing shortage. The population of the world is living much longer and will need to have more medical care. So, hospitals and medical facilities are always looking for nurses. Enjoy career mobility. After you become an RN, registered nurse, you can go in many directions in your career. You can work in the justice system as a legal nurse consultant or in trauma care or wound care. You might work as a writer, teacher, or a researcher. There are no end of options when you become a nurse. High salaries. depend on post and where you work. There are more than 200 specialties in which you can earn a special certification. This will certify that you are an expert in that particular specialty. This will often cause you to earn a high salary and to increase the demand for your services. Whatever your interest in nursing, you can probably find a specialty that interests you. Being a nurse means being well paid, in demand, and able to enjoy many awesome benefits. Make sure to check out all the educational programs near you that lead to becoming a registered nurse.